What's up, guys? Eurocharged Minneapolis here. Check out this 2015 Lamborghini Huracan. The customer came to us wanting a little bit more power, a little bit more performance, so we, added some snails to it. Do a walk around real quick. He's going on Crown Rally this weekend, here to Chicago to Tennessee, and then back to Minneapolis. So let's check out the goods here. Fortunately, the forged carbon covers cover all the goodness, but you kind of can see the airbox intercooler here. Little throttle body action. You see some blow-off valves there. And then we'll go through here. Yeah, look at that. That's some turbos. And then there's the other one. Yeah, check that out. So this car tuned 7.5 pounds boost, roughly makes 800 wheel horsepower. Super reliable. We tune it 100% turnkey, ready to go right from us. Let's do a quick startup video. Let's do a quick rev. So there it is. Heffner twin turbo kit installed by Eurocharged Minneapolis. Check it out, guys. You want any work like this done, you can call us. We'll be happy to help you. Thanks for checking in. Tune in next time. See what else we got cooking. Thanks.